Hi, welcome to Francois Maths class. Today we are going to look at elective maths Wassce 2022. That's for the school candidates, May June. Question number 4, and the question was on functions. The question is given that f of x maps to x plus m over x minus 3, where x is not equal to 3, where m is a constant. A. Find the value of m. If f of 5 is equal to 1 whole number 1 out of 2. B. Find f inverse. C. State the value of x for which f inverse is undefined. So let's look at the solution. From the question, we've been given f of x is equal to x plus m over x minus 3. Now we are told to find m when f of 5 is equal to 1 whole number 1 out of 3, 1 whole number 1 out of 2. So first we find f of 5. So wherever we see x here, we put 5. So f of 5 is equal to 5 plus m over 5 minus 3. And we are told that f of 5 should be equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2. And 1 whole number 1 over 2 can be written as, or let's simplify this, 5 plus m over 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to, this one can be written as, when you change it, we have 3 over 2. So at this stage, we can cross multiply. So in multiplying this, we have 2 multiplying 5 plus m is equal to 2 times 3. So we need to expand this. So we have 2 times 5, we have 10 plus 2m is equal to 6. So we send this one here, 2m is equal to 6 minus 10. 2m is equal to negative 4. Out of 2, out of 2. So our m is equal to negative 2. So we are done with the first part because the question was asking us to find m when or if f of 5 is equal to that. So we know m. Now the second part, B, is asking us to find f inverse. F inverse. So first, we know m. So our f of x is now equal to x. Our m is now negative 2 minus 2 over x minus 3. So if you want to find the f inverse, first let y be equal to f of x. So y is equal to x minus 2 over x minus 3. So the next step is you interchange the positions of x and y because you are supposed to find the inverse. So interchange x and y. So wherever you see x, you put y there. So x is equal to y minus 2 over y minus 3. Having gotten this, then we need to find y or make y the summation from this. So we cross multiply this one over 1. So x is equal to y minus 3 is equal to 1 multiplying that y minus 2. So we expand this part. So xy minus 3x is equal to y minus 2. We are supposed to make y the subject. So this one will go here. So xy, this y comes here, minus y is equal to 3. It's negative here, it goes here to be, so 3x, then minus 2. We want y. So y out, x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 2. We divide here by x minus 1, here by x minus 1. So y is equal to 3x minus 2 over x minus 1. So therefore, our f inverse is equal to 3x minus 2 over x minus 1. and that's the solution to the B. Now, when you look at the C, we are supposed to state the value of x for which f inverse is undefined. The value of f inverse, our f inverse is equal to 3x minus 2 over x minus 1. But for this function to be undefined, it means that since it's a fraction, then it means when our denominator is 0, the whole of this function will be undefined. So it means we have to equate our denominator to 0. So our denominator is x minus 1 and it should be equal to 0 to make this function undefined. So we find x. So x is equal to 1. So for f of x to be undefined, so f of inverse is undefined when x is equal to 1. And this brings us to the solution of this question. And you have to continue to subscribe to Francois Maths class to enjoy a lot of these lessons. Have a nice day and bye-bye.